All right guys, it's lunchtime. For those of you that watched yesterday, I switched this around and took the big truck off the asphalt and put it on the gravel, and I have the same truck, same wire rope, same strapping. So for those that weren't here yesterday, I have a 40,000 pound truck. I have a yellow strap that has a certain capacity in a basket, 16,000 pounds. I have a 3/8 or 7/16 wire rope. I know what it is, but I want you to think about what it is, and I have a 10,000 pound winch. The question is can this 10,000 pound winch pull this 40,000 pound truck? The answer is yes, because this truck is in a rolling resistance position, meaning right now, if the brakes aren't locked up, it's not tied up or anything like that, so it's going to roll very well. The question now is what does the surface change between this line right here? So if I have this truck on this side of the line versus this truck on this side of the line, how much more capacity does it require to pull this truck? Well, gravel or loose dirt or things like that actually creates more resistance. So what that does is that when we were watching yesterday, it pulled it really easily. It's gonna pull it easily again, but it pulled it really easily because it was rolling resistance. It only required 5% of the truck's weight and capacity to pull it. So that means yesterday I only needed 2,000 pounds. Now on gravel, it changes it from 2,000 pounds to 6,000 pounds. Nothing has changed. I have the same trucks. It's just the fact that the gravel, the surface on which the casualty lies, is now at a 15% resistance. Not 5, 15. So can this truck pull it? The answer is yes, but I want you to notice my truck over here. Yesterday, it didn't skip a beat, but notice this. See how my truck has a little bit of pull on it right there? Now, my question is am I exceeding anything? Am I putting myself in harm's way? If this is 3/8 wire rope, that means that wire rope is only rated for 3,700 pounds on a straight pull. If this is 3/8 wire rope, I'm standing in the kill zone and I'm dead. It might do it the first time, the second time, the third time, but you don't know when you're doing damage. Now, if it's 7/16 wire rope, it's rated for 5,700 pounds in the steel core, not fiber core. So now I'm a little bit safer, but I'm still exceeding my capacity because the casualty is now 6,000 pounds. So again, you're in a kill zone, you're putting yourself in danger. So when you dump it like this, and I'm just doing this out of safety, but you'll see the truck gives a little bump. You guys can see that right there. It's hopping a little bit. So can it pull it? Yesterday it didn't do this at all, but you can see that it's bouncing a little bit. So what could I do to fix this? I want to talk about it, but we're going to show you more. We'll talk it again tomorrow at lunchtime, guys. Have a great lunch, and remember, this truck is available, and so is this truck, and all these trucks on the line. Have a great lunch.